How to delete your Aliexpress account. Hey everyone, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Aliexpress account. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I make various tutorials here, always aiming to make things easier for you. So guys, there are already other related videos on the channel. If you have questions about other topics, I'll leave a playlist with more videos in the card right now. In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Aliexpress account, and the process is pretty straightforward. I'm already logged into my Aliexpress account. If you're not logged in yet, click up here and enter your email and password. So, I'm already logged in. I'm going to click on My Account at the top. You'll then be redirected to this page. Here in the side menu, we're going to look for the Settings option. There it is. I'm going to click on Settings. You'll see other options like Upload Image, Change Email, Change Password. That's not what we're looking for. Let's click on the Edit Profile option here. Your personal information will be displayed, including your name, email, and phone number. But what we're looking for is right next to it. Alright folks, let's deactivate the account. It's here in English. I'm going to click on it. To confirm, you'll need to click on Delete My Account at the bottom. For security purposes, a verification code will be sent to your registered email address. You'll need to enter this code here to delete your account. Now, click on the Delete My Account button. You'll receive a code in your email. You'll need to enter this code on the next screen to confirm the deletion of your Aliexpress account. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks for watching.